welcome to the fifth and final part of our Autopilot series. Today, we dive deep into the advanced features that make driving even smarter and safer. In this segment, we will cover advanced navigation, understanding system limits, hands-on control, and optimizing your experience with traffic-aware cruise control. Autopilot's advanced navigation uses real-time data to help you navigate highway interchanges and tricky lane changes seamlessly. It's crucial to understand the system's limitations. Always heed any visual or auditory warnings. They are there to ensure your safety and that of others. Remember, Autopilot is an assistance feature. Be prepared for hands-on steering and braking intervention at any moment, especially in complex traffic situations. You can customize your driving experience by adjusting your desired maximum speed and setting your following distance preference to match traffic flow and comfort. When using traffic-aware cruise control, know that it keeps a set distance from the vehicle ahead. Be mindful of sudden lane changes by other drivers. Auto steer works best on clearly marked roads. Use it in scenarios where road conditions and visibility are optimal for the system's operation. Know when to disengage Autopilot. This includes bad weather, construction zones, or when visibility is severely limited. Your judgment is always the final safety measure. By understanding these advanced features, you're ready to master Autopilot. Drive safely and enjoy the journey.